Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Today's video is all about how to set up your wonderful uh, online banking website which has latest UI features. And this is good. This is the front end of the website. So you come to the user section, which is nice. It has different kind of features and different kind of information you can see. Now this is so slick, guys. So please stick to the end of this video to see how we're able to implement and set up this website. See you guys in the next segment. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now this is the second segment of this video section on how to install your online banking website. Now this is new, so I'm using Hostinga for this video section. Now most scripts requires a good hosting, so you need to use hosting that has more requirements and more resources in order to get these scripts done. Why it won't work in most cPanels, it will work in most cPanels. You get it, but I'm using Hostinga to let you guys know you can use Hostinga to get this done. So the next section is, now this is my domain, it's empty. Now this is the file manager. Once you go to your cPanel or your hPanel, click on file manager, then go straight to public_html or your add-on domain. So I'll go to upload. So I'll select my file. So I've selected my zip file is uploading. So I'll go back to my dashboard. I have created my company email already, so you just have to do yours. Go to email account and create your email. It's very easy. So I'll go straight to database. So let's set up our database information. So let me just fill out this information. So after you've created your database information, so if you're using cPanel, ensure to click on all privileges. You get it. Then copy your information and save your information on your notepad. So I've done mine. I'll just click on create. So I've created my database. So I'll go to phpMyAdmin. So while our file is uploading, so I'll go to phpMyAdmin. Let's upload our database file. So I'll go to import. And mind you, this script is should be used on 8.1. So I'll select my file, then I'll click import. So if your information while uploading you did not see successful like this, if you set up the website, you will notice you will having 500 errors. Okay, so I'll click on structure. Now you can see, so I'll go back to public_html. Our file has been uploaded, so I'll extract this file. Then I'll just indicate here and extract. So I'll go straight to this folder. I'll copy all. Now I'll move this to our public_html, which is our main folder. So I have to delete the folder I created. Alright, so the next step is scroll down to where you have .env, edit this, then let me just copy my website link. So I'll just paste it here and also change here. Good. So the next section, I'll go to my file. I'll copy my database name, and also I'll just copy and paste for the user. So I'll come here again and copy my password. So I'll paste this and I'll click save changes. Exit section, I'll go back to my domain and reload. So you can see the website. Now this is it, so slick. Now this is the front end section, which is nice. So the next section is, I'll show you guys how to edit this. Go to your public_html, locate resources, go to views, then you come to home. Now this is the section be able to edit whatever you want to edit here. Good. So the next step is let's log in our admin section. Now before I go to the admin, go to your PageStream admin, go to admins, and click on edit. So I'll just paste my admin email. Then for the password, make sure to encrypt this password. You can actually come back and you can also change the phone number here to your own phone number, then click what go. Good. So I'll go back to this section, I'll copy my link and I'll open a new tab. So to get the admin link is admin/dashboard, then you reload this page to take you to the admin page, which is this. Good. So I'll put in my admin email, then I'll put in my password and I'll set this. Good. Now you can see we have successfully logged into the admin section. So once you come to settings, then go to app settings. Now this is where you change the name to yours. So I'll just copy this. So this is for example purpose. Okay. So I'll copy my link here and also paste this. Now this is where you put in your image. The logo is 200 by 100 and the favicon should also be 512 by 512. Now update this. I can see the information has been updated. Now I'll go to transfer code. And this is, we have 5 codes. Now you can turn on everything and you can turn off most of them. Okay, so I'll click update. You can also change what you get here. Let me say, let me locate this. Let me say I want to change this to IRS. So I'll go to location 5 and also do the same thing here. Good. So I'll click what? Update. Now the next section is you come to preference. Now I'll copy my company email. I'll change it to my company email. And also I'll turn this on. Ensure all these are on. Then click on save. So I'll go back to the email. This is very important to do. So I'll paste my company email. So I'll come down and click on save. So after it's done is go back to SMTP. So I'm using Hostinger, so mine is smtp.hostinger.com. Change this to 465, which is SSL. Then here is the username is your company email, then your company email password. Be sure to copy that and also impute here. Good. So if you want to get your SMTP server information, ensure to go to, once you created your email account, go to your email. The first inbox you get is your mail configuration settings. So after you save this, go to send mail and also save this. You take it back to send mail, okay? But you must do this SMTP first and save, then take it back to send mail. Very, very important. So this, if you come to Teams, these are display. If you want to change, let me just double click on this and reload. So I'll just take this back to blue. So after you've done the settings, you come down to payment settings. Now this is payment settings. I will just do one section. It's very easy. Now For example purpose, click on this eye icon. You can change the minimum amount of deposit is 100. Then you come here and change this to your wallet address. You put your wallet image, then enable the status. The type is for both withdraw and deposit. After you've done this, click on save changes. So this is how you edit the wallet address. You can also disable it. Now if I go back here and add new, so once you put the name of the wallet address, maybe Bitcoin, and put the amount, the charges, you can say this is 0%. Charges type fixed, so charges amount in percentage, I'll put this as 0, so it will be in 0%. If you put fixed, you just okay, here is fix of $10. Now this currency section is for add bank details for bank transfers, so enable this for both withdraw and deposit. Enable this, and this is what you do. Okay, after you've done that, you save changes. So this is how you add payment method to the website. Now to remove all this thing, it's very easy. You locate them. So go back to your files. Now go back to views, go to resources, go to views, you go to admin, you scroll down to top menu .blade and sidebar menu. So if you go to top menu, edit this, you scroll down to this section, you can see it here, and just comment on this. So this is how you change it. If you go to sidebar, do the same thing, edit, and so go back to views, scroll down to where you have, so delete this, just delete this, then go back to layout, go to app.blade, edit this, and just scroll down, and here, then you comment on this and save. So basically this is what to do. And the next section is go to user, scroll down to where you have transactions, this transaction.blade, mark this and delete this. Then you go to upload. Then once you come to upload, you click on this transaction blade and open this. You upload this and you cancel this. So we have uploaded it, the new one. Okay, so that's what you do. So you go back to the admin section, then reload this admin. Good. So we're good to go. The next section is, let me just create an account. So I'll go to open account. So I'll just fill out this information, put in your name and your username. Then I'll come here and click on next. So I'll put in your email, then your phone number, select your country. Now click on next. Now select your currency. So I'm just go to USD and your account type. Then you put in your 4-digit PIN. Then click on next. Now your password should be strong password. Okay. Now ensure you put the same password, then you click on create account. I can see. So I have to check my email or our verification code. So I'll go to my email. I can see. So I'll click on this. Now this is the code. I'll copy this and go to verify and paste this and click verify email. So this is how it works. Now it takes you directly to the KYC section. So I'll come down here and click accept and proceed. Now this is for example purposes. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube videos. So I'll just fill out all this. This is very easy and readable. Okay. So I've filled out all the information. So ensure you fill out all this information and to know you do not miss any step. If not, you have errors. And if you're uploading image, it should be .png or JPG. Now click submit application. My network is bad. Good. So let me reload here. Now you can see actual successful. So I'll go back to admin section. Then I'll go to new user application. I'll click on this and scroll down. You're able to see, and come back here and click on action. Then let me say I'll click confirm. Good. So this KYC has been approved. I'll go back to the user section and go straight to dashboard. Good. Now you can see how it is, right? This is nice. So I'll go back to admin section, go back to manage this user. I'll go to manage user. Then I'll click on action and turn off dominant account. If not, users can't do anything. You must turn off the dominant account. Then this other section here, I just want to explain and ensure this video is not that long. So I'll be coming back here though. You can reset credit account and edit section. I'll come back here. Now the next step is go back to, let me go to user deposits. So once I click on deposits, then I'll select any of this method. I mean use USDT. And let me just put a figure and click continue. Now scroll. I can see the wallet address here. Once the user copy this, then they'll upload receipts. So I've uploaded the receipt. I'll click on submit. So the user is also getting emails. I can see the user notification section here, which is nice. So I'll go back to the admin section, scroll down to user deposits. You'll be able to see, if you click on this eye icon, this is the payment receipts, and click process. Mind you guys, this script and this video is for educational purposes, okay, and learning and training purposes and devs. So I'll go back again to this section. I'll go to dashboard. Now you can see it has been added, right? Good. So if you go to transactions, so this is it. So let me go back to okay, we've done that. Let me go to card. So users want to apply for their virtual card, so they click on apply for your first card. Now go back to admin section, go to virtual cards, go to card settings. So this card settings, this is the part you set the fee. Let me just put this as 1,000. Okay, so you can put this as let me say monthly fee. Good. Then you click on save settings. Now this is daily limit. The daily limit here should be, sorry, and maximum limit should be 100. So I'll click on save settings. I'll go back to the user section and reload here. Good. So once user selects maybe MasterCard, for instance, the card level they want. So let me just choose standard, and this is the currency here. So you can see the limit and the card holder name. Let me just say Jane Doe, and the billing address. Good. Then I'll click on agree and submit application. Now you can see this is pending, right? You can see. So go back to admin. Then to see this, you go to virtual cards, go to pending application. Then you view this section. Now this is it. Now once you approve this, then you can top up the user. Let me say 8 card. Then just say top up. This is where you deduct from the card. So once I go back to here and let me just click on view details. So this is it. Okay, so I don't want to go too deep. So users can deactivate and block. I just want to end the video quickly. Now this is for loan section, the refund section and the grant section. Okay, so go back to admin, go to manage users, go to manage. Then once you click on action, go to edit, scroll down. Now this edit section is very, very important. So now this digit here should be 11 digits, capital letter. Good. Then this is where you change the codes them. I can see. Now this grant limit, if you add a limit, the limit the user can ask for this particular user. Let me just say 70. Then I'll click say update. So that's the limit. So once I come back here, once I go back to the user, let me just go to let me show you how the swapping works. So the swapping is just to change to to convert your USD to BTC. So I'll just come here and say okay, I'm doing 2000 and swap. Good. I can see this is it. Now this is the swapping amount. Okay, now the next step is go to let me just go to loans. I'm trying to minimize the time frame, so I just want you guys to see most of the informations here. So let me just fill out this information. So you just fill out all this information, the time frame, amount, purpose, their income, then click on submit application. Now this is pending. Users can't do this more than once until you accept. Now before we continue with this, go back to your hosting, locate your cron job, then go to cron jobs. So once you come to cron job, just go to custom. It depends on the hosting you're using. So if you're getting this script from me, there will be a file you will see. So this is a file. You just copy this. Just copy this and paste it here. So what I'll do next is I'll copy my site link. ensure to do it like this and just paste like this. Then the command option, take it to watts per hour and just save. Good, this is what you do. Okay, so after you've done this, go back to the user section. Okay, no, sorry, go back to the admin, then you come to the loan application, go to active loans. Then this is a click on action, click on more actions. Now the moment you mark this as processed, and this is for 6 months, so the moment you mark this as processed, meaning it will enable the user, after 6 months it will remind you on this. So once I go back to manage users, you go to manage, so you have to top up user, go to actions, go to credit. So I'll put in this just to the user account balance, local transfer. Let me say Big Giant Tech. Now this should be loan approved amount. Then you put the date. You can also backdate it. Then send user email. Yes. Then click fund. Good. So I'll go back to the user section. Let me reload. Let me go back to. Let me click on loans. Now you can see this is restricted because you can see apply now and get decision. This is restricted because users can't do this twice. You already have an active or a pending loan, so it's active. So you go back to dashboard. Now you can see the amount. So user click on transactions. They're able to get the receipts for this, and they click on receipts. Now you can see they can also print it out. So I'll go back to dashboard. And the next section is let me just show you guys this for the grant section. Users can apply as company or individual. Let me go to individual section, and let me just say, okay, I'm requesting for 70. That's the limit I have. Let me just say 40,000. Then I might just select whatever I want to do, community outreach, and click submit application. Now, why if you put the limit to be 0, you can see now your request, you can see the pre-approved amount normally. Now this is your request. Now view application results. Congratulations, your grant has been pre-approved. So once I go back to, you can see the next step. So once I go back to admin, scroll down to where you have grants, go to all application. Now this is it. Click on view section. Now you're able to see the user. Now if you say disburse funds to user account, you click on this. Now you can see, then meaning you have to go back to the manage users and top up the account. Once I come back here and reload, so this is how it is. You get to say once you refund the user, that's how it works. So once I come to tax refund, let me just fill out this information. So I fill out this information. Once you users fill out, they'll just click on submit request. Now this filing ID is, once you go to admin section, go to manage users, go to manage, click on edit, click on edit. Where's edit? This is it, and scroll down to where you have this. I'll copy this and paste it here. Then click submit this ID. Now this is how it is, right? It should just be pending. So you go back to admin section, go to this IRS, then open this and click on actions, view details. So this is it. This is the detail. Okay, so that's how it works. So let me go back to manage users, go to the user account. Now the next step is, the last step is go to international. Let me show you guys how this works. So I'll just pick any of this if users want to make out the payment. So I'll scroll down, and most of the rest information you can be able to check this yourself. If you're getting this code, meaning you're a dev. Okay, so I'll just fill out. Let me go back here, this will be too long. Let me use cryptocurrency. Let me just put in okay. So as a user, I'll put in my details. Then my international pin, I'll put this here. Then I'll scroll down and click continue to transfer. Then confirm this. Okay, you can see I put an incorrect pin. Let me do it again. So it takes you to this section. So this is how it works. So let me just go back to admin. Once I go back to admin section, go back to settings, go to app settings, go to preference, go to transfer codes. So I just want to off all these codes. So just for example purpose, I'll leave this and update this. So go back to manage users, go to manage, go to actions, go to edit. This is it. So now the first one here is this code. I'll copy this and come back here. Let me reload here. So I'll take this and paste this and confirm. Now it takes you to the OTP section. Now once you go to OTP section, go back to your file manager. Once you go to file manager, go to the user section, locate OTP. Now go to OTP blade, edit this, then scroll down to where you have this section under OTP input field. Now this OTP input. Now once you go back to your email verification, your email account, then click on this confirm transaction. Now here is the OTP, but it has number and alphabet, so it won't work. For instance, you copy this and you paste it here. You can see it will only take out the number. So go back to your OTP.blade, ensure to come to ID and remove this OTP underscore input. Then you save this, go back to the user, reload the section. So paste this. Now you can see, then confirm this OTP. Now you can see this is how it works. It's nice, very good. Users can click on view receipts, which is good. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment my YouTube platform. See you guys in the next video.